Manish. First of all, I would like to congratulate you from SSB Short side for getting AIR 5 in Coast Guard SSB entry. May I know what was Bhakuni sir's role and SSB Short Academy's role in your selection?
Yeah, the role was very significant, I'll say, because there was a time in my career when I almost lost all the hopes, but determination was always there. So I took a gap of like 6 to 7 months. I was already failing again and again. So in
Mhm.
that 6 and 7 months, then I decided to go to some guidance, take some guidance, and after looking a lot, I found Mr. Major General Bhakuni sir,
Mhm.
experienced person being into the board of Bangalore and president of the board. So there was lot of uh, you know uh, there were a lot of things to learn from him. So basically, that's why I joined SSB Show Short Mentorship Club
Okay.
and being
And
the
not
part of the yeah,
yeah.
being the part of the mentorship club, the regular classes, the psych assessment, and especially that personality development course and all those things actually helped me a lot. So all the small thing, Bakuni sir used to tell very small things. Sometimes students used to skip it, but
Yeah.
those small things really worked for me.
Okay. So tell me, in this journey of SSB, where you were a repeater or a fresher, where you had different roles to play. How did you keep yourself motivated throughout the journey?
Uh, Motivation was from the different sources. I'll say it was not from just one thing. Like my lot of my friends,
Mhm.
we have started our journey together, and they recommended before me. So I
Okay.
haven't I haven't taken it as a setback. I have taken it as a motivation. I remained in touch with them, talked
Mhm.
with them, and
Mhm.
there were a lot of interviews. There are a lot of interviews which are available in YouTube if you will see
Mhm.
from the recommended people. So I used to watch them and I used to improve myself, keep myself motivated. And
Mhm.
there is one very beautiful thing.
Mhm.
General Bakuni sir has said that if you want to achieve something, you have to visualize it from your subconscious mind. That is very true. I subconsciously adopted it, and I always visualize myself into being in a uniform and all those things.
So now, what is your advice for our candidates who will be appearing for their SSBs?
Basically, they are very much aware that what they need to do. But I'll say that the things which work for me, those I will like to share. Like right amount of confidence is very important. Like there are people who are sometimes underconfident. There are people who are sometimes overconfident. But the right amount of confidence is required. Once you will get recommended, then you will yourself realize that okay, this was the right amount of confidence which I was in need of. The second thing is the knowledge, not only social knowledge but technical knowledge also. The knowledge of your subjects, current affairs, news. It plays a very important role. If I specifically talk about SSB and out of the SSB also, because when you are not in SSB and you are in touch with the news and all those social things, technical things, you yourself feel like yes, you are living in a better way, right?
Yeah.
So the third thing will be determination. A lot of things might happen in the life, a lot of failures might come, but you should not never lose your hope. So,
Yes.
like if I'll tell my story, I saw six screen outs back to back,
Announce. Okay.
and after that, so in the period of 2 years, so I would have quit. Like in 2 years, I started visualizing that will I be ever able to attend that 5 day session, 5 days as the whole process, because that would be a great achievement for me. But slowly and gradually, that determination was inside, so that pushed me to go there and perform. So that will be one thing, and the
So, can you give us some details? How did you prepare for Coast Guard entry specifically?
Okay, so specifically, I have not done anything extra. I'll
Yeah.
honestly tell you because when I joined mentorship club, so a lot of things were already I got cooked. I'll say that.
Okay.
Like being the part of the mentorship club, I got my psych assessment. So a lot of things I was lagging in psych assessment. I improved them, and the interview was already taken by Bakuni sir. So he told me 5 to 6 points of the interview which I should improve, and I improved them.
Mhm.
And I got conferenced out from my Air Force SSB on 26th of January, and
Mhm.
I reported to Coast Guard on 29th of January. So I was kind of into the shock that I got conferenced out. So, but still, I forgot all the things. And yeah, the only difference between SSB and Coast Guard SSB is that OIR part. So I practiced around 10 to 12 sets of OIR. And that was the only thing which I did specifically. Otherwise, all the things were available on the documents which were provided to us. And the Telegram group of SSB SureShot, it has really helped a lot because it was providing all the information regarding the services and all those things. So that has actually helped me a lot.
Then you had a special message for the academy for Bhakuni sir. I have also gone through the message. Can you please repeat the message and also tell us more about it?
Uh, there is a lot of which I can say about General Bakuni sir, but it will be very less, at the same time. So I'll say that
Yeah.
the story, his own story, which he used to share, that how from a soldier he turned to an officer, is itself very motivating.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
he always been a very kind person, very humble person. You will ask him doubts, lot of doubts, but he will always give you a very wide smile and tell you one thing 100 times. He will repeat it again and again, no issue. So that is one of the very good things in him. And the feedback which he gave me after my psych and interview was really helpful, as I already mentioned. And I'll say that he's a good motivator, and he scolded me once. That was, I was trying to mention it. That I was into the call and he was taking some session and I was doing something. So he scolded me once. So I always believe that when a great personality scolds you, take it in a positive way and see it as a blessing from him, because he is scolding you because he knows that you deserve something and you are almost there on the line, and if you will be focused, you will achieve it. So once when I attended the interview with him, he said to me that, Manish, if you will clear the screening this time, when I already told him that I am 6 times screened out, so he told me, Manish, if you will clear the screening this time, I assure you that nobody can stop you from getting recommended. So that was the biggest motivation which I get from a person who is already a major general, and So,
Yes, yeah, that was very good. So, any message, anything for our candidates, for our viewers?
Definitely yes. Keep working hard, because there is nothing which is going to stop you if you're working hard. Your goal is not going to come in front of you. It is you who have to go outside and find it. And to find it, it is just the hard work which can help you. So that is the fun thing. And second thing is, if you are following Bakuni sir, if you're following SureShot Academy, then believe in it. Believe in it, and I am the example of it. Okay. So, so believe in your teachers, and that's it. Nothing else.
It was very nice, Manish. Thank you for joining us for the interview, and congratulations once again. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel SSB SureShot Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a SureShot guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.